Hey everybody, it's me. It's me again. This morning we want to talk about the future value and the present value of money. And we're talking about the time value of money. And I've got a sheet here, a spreadsheet, which shows that we take 100. We're going to talk about the future value of $100 invested at 5%. And we wanted to invest it for 5 years. And so we want to calculate what's the future value of that $100 going to be at the end of 5 years. Well, one of the ways we can do it is we can do a manual calculation. We can take that $100 and we can multiply it by 1.05 for the first year, and then we can multiply that amount by 1.05 to get to the second year, and go on out till we get to $127.63 at the end of the fifth year. Now that's a manual calculation. We can just take 1 year and keep adding it on top of each other. Now we've got here an equation. It's another way we can do it. And the equation is P, which is the principal, and it's multiplied by 1.I. I is the interest rate, and the first year it's to the first power. The second year is to the second power. The third year it's to the third power, so on. So the fifth year it's that equation, P at 1 in the brackets of 1 plus I to the fifth power. And then I've got the equation printed out here as to what that is. So you can see at the end of the third year, for example, it's 100 times 105 to the third power. At the end of 5 years, it's 100 times 105 to the fifth power. And so then I multiply that out. You can see that. It's 105 application of that deposit times the equation comes up with 105 at the end of the first year, 110.25 at the second year, and the third year is $115.76. Year 5 is $127.63. You can all see that. Now, another way we can do that, there's an appendix. There's an index we can use to follow at, and I'm not going to do that here because our author in this text wants us to learn how to do this calculation, not with the appendix, not using the appendix. So now the formula. Over here I've got if we can go over here and take, well, let's see, I don't want to do it there. We'll take it right here, and we go up here to the equation, and we're going to click on future value here, and the future value, as you can see, is 0.05. That's the interest rate, and it is 5 years, right? That's NPER is the number of periods. There's no payment here, so we put a 0 in it. Now the present value is a minus, and it's going out, we put a minus in there. And you can see the calculation comes out $127.63. Now over here I've got this is going out for 3 years, and you can see it's 5%, and it's for 3 years, and so the amount is $115.76, which is what you see over here. And that's how I got that. Now, another way we can do it is in Excel, and we want to learn how to do it in Excel. So with that, I'm going to enter it in the bar there, and I'm going to put FV for future value and put brackets, and it'll, as you can see there, it shows the rate. I'm going to put 05, comma, and then the next one is NPER, which is the number of periods. I'm going to put 5 for 5 years, and the payment is 0, so I'm going to put that, and then it's got the present value, which is minus 100, and then I got to put one more 0 there. And then I'm going to put a bracket on it, and there's $127.63 is how we do it in Excel, which I would like you to learn how to do it. Okay? I'll look forward to chatting with you.